log x to base 2 plus log 2 to base x is equals to 2. I'm told to find what? X. To find x. Now, you cannot start working when the base here is 2 and the base is x. You have to ensure that you have the same base. We have the same base. So mnataka aje? Tuweke 2 ama tuweke x chini? What should be done? Should you use the base of 2 or the base of x? X. You're making your life difficult. But anyway, it can work. It doesn't mean that it can't work. It will work. Let me just use the x that you're saying. So if I want x to be down, I will now, this one is the one which is going to change. It will be 1 over log x to log 2 to base x. So these and these are the same. Then plus log now 2 to base x is equals to 2. Like that one. Are we there? Then when you reach at this point now, you have to do something. You say let log 2 to base x be equals to what? Y. You introduce something else. Let log 2 to base x be y. So where there's log 2 to base x, you replace with y. So in this one here, I'm going to have 1 over y plus y is equals to what? 2. Like that. Then to remove this y here, I multiply everything by y. Like that. So if you do that one, this one will be ey and this y will cancel. I'm going to have 1 plus y squared is equals to y. We have formed a quadratic equation. And therefore, this one will be like this. We're going to have, if you rearrange it, you're going to have y squared minus 2y plus 1 is equals to 0. I've just rearranged it. It is a quadratic equation. Now, I don't know if factorization can work. We look for product and sum. Two numbers that when you multiply, you get 1. When you add, you get negative 2. It is negative 1 and negative 1. You multiply them, you get positive 1. You add them, you get negative 2. So replace this one here. Just add y here. Replace this one here with this 2. So I'm going to have y squared minus y plus 1 is equals to 0. So group them into 2 and factor out. So this one will be y is the one which is common. Then you're going to remain with y minus 1. Here, what is common here? It is negative 1. You factor it outside, you're going to have y minus 1 is equals to 0. So I'll have y minus 1 minus y is equals to 0. So this is a perfect square. And therefore, this one will be y minus 1 is equals to 0. So y is what? 1. We never wanted y. What we were looking for is x. So not after x. So hatujapata x. Now we need to get what is x. To get x, you come back where we said let log 2 to base x be equals to y. So where there is y, tunaweka 1. So I'm going to say here, I'll just do it here. This will be log 2 to base x is equals to 1. Now change this one from log notation to index notation. Hivyo, ukiwa hapa, change that one. So itakuwa x raised to 1 is equals to what? 2. I'll have x raised to 1 is equals to 2. X raised to 1 is x, meaning x is equals to what? 2. Story mesh. That is the answer.